If you've been searching for a roof repair estimate in Logan, you've probably already noticed how difficult it can be to get clear information about roofing prices, repair options, and what homeowners should realistically expect before moving forward with repairs. Some homes only need smaller repairs after winter weather or wind damage. Others may have ongoing roof leaks, aging shingles, or storm-related damage that slowly becomes more expensive if it is ignored too long. Now that's one reason why Logan homeowners start by requesting a roofing estimate before deciding whether repairs or replacement makes the most sense for their home. In northern Utah, roofing issues can happen gradually over time because of snow accumulation, freezing temperatures, moisture, and seasonal weather changes. A roof may look fine from the ground while hidden damage is already developing underneath shingles or around flashing areas near vents and valleys. Many homeowners researching roof repair costs in Logan are not necessarily looking for the cheapest roofing company. Most are trying to understand realistic pricing, local roofing options, and whether repairs can safely extend the life of the roof before larger problems develop. Some homeowners compare affordable roofing quotes because they are planning ahead before leaks appear. Others begin looking for local roof repair after noticing water spots, damaged shingles, attic moisture, or signs of weather wear following heavy storms. Another thing many homeowners appreciate is having roofing estimates explained in a straightforward way. The roofing projects can feel overwhelming when pricing, repair timelines, and material options are unclear. That's why many local homeowners prefer working with roofing companies familiar with homes throughout Logan and nearby Cache Valley communities. Homes in Logan, North Logan, Hyde Park, Providence, Smithfield, and surrounding areas can experience very different roofing conditions depending on roof age, sun exposure, snow accumulation, and weather patterns throughout the year. Now, whether someone needs emergency roof repairs, replacement pricing, or simply wants a clearer understanding of roof repair estimates in Logan, having realistic local information can help homeowners make more confident decisions before roofing problems become more serious over time. We are here to help with any roofing questions you may have. Call us now, 435-999-5004.